severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Wow, it actually activated. I'm surprised.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Middlesex County, northwestern Caswell County, southwestern Pittsylvania County,
Oh yeah, WXL 92 serves Bedford. Westbury County.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Chatham, Gretna, Paxton, Taylor, and Torrance. This includes the following locations of Martinsville, Seaway, and Martinsville.
Just went on 28.
South Central Virginia.
Oh my gosh.
County in
Tornado
Central
warning.
Virginia. The city of Lynchburg in Central Virginia. Sturdy building. Avoid windows. In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in bonding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any with damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Thunderstorm was located near Pleasant View, Oregon, 7 miles south of Forks of Buffalo, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waynesboro, Stewart's Draft, Primrose, Sharongo, Shipment, Schuyler, Winter Green, Afton, Fasheville, Lyndhurst, Middlesbrough, Arrington, Ismont, Livingston, Piney River, North Garden, Coatesville, Yancey Mills, Tyrell, and Jonesboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Calling from Sterling.
Tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for Central and Western Virginia.
Honey.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Appomattox County in Central Virginia, Sherman County in South Central Virginia, Campbell County in Central Virginia, eastern Pittsylvania County in South Central Virginia, Halifax County in South Central Virginia, the southeastern city of Lynchburg in Central Virginia, until 9 a.m. At 8:13 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Java or near Mount Airy, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard,
They're not talking about a new tornado watch replacement or expansion.
Visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. In effect until 2 p.m. for North Central North Carolina and Central, South Central, and West Central Virginia.
The stage room! Let me know in the comments if the stage looks good over here.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Caswell County in north central North Carolina.
Let's turn this on.
Locations impacted include South Boston, Halifax, Turville, Rudolph, Clover, Milton, and Scottsburg. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for north central North Carolina and central and south central Virginia. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so,
What was that? Day 1 slight risk. Come on. 866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can be also on National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page on Twitter.
A tornado watch remains
In effect until
2 p.m. for north central North Carolina and central and south central Virginia.
perfect timing. I just hit 2 minutes while recording.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County in central Virginia, northwestern Charlotte County in south central Virginia, eastern Campbell County in central Virginia, Buckingham County in central Virginia, southeastern Amherst County in central Virginia, until 9:45 a.m. At 9 a.m., a severe thunderstorm is located over Mine, or 7 miles west of Red House, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buckingham, Appomattox, Brookmeal, Dillwyn, Red House, Van Creek, and Concord. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for central and south central Virginia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. A
He's
tornado
watching
remains
me.
in effect until 2 p.m. for central and south central Virginia.
Mr. Zongard? You all knew this because you've been watching other people. You surprised me with the flood warning, Sterling! Huh? Say you decided to do that?
This is a statement from the National
Yes, it's a statement from the... No, it's a warning!
until 3:15 p.m. this afternoon. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The area includes a portion of central Virginia, including the following counties.
Does this look like a statement? Sterling, get it!
Impact, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 9:03 a.m. The radar indicates thunderstorm. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include
Sterling, come on! I was just about to put up the compilation. Now you do this.
Arrington, Livingston, Bryant, Jonesboro, Tyrell, Massisville, Roseland, Greenfield, Elmwood, Rockbridge, High River, Faber, http://www.weather. Governor's Flag Safety Flood Turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
The letter!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah, they were gonna do this.
County in central Virginia. The city of Charlottesville in central Virginia. Albemarle County in central Virginia until 9:45 a.m. At 9:05 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. Source radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects, projectiles. Locations impacted include Charlottesville, Crozet, Shipman, Schuyler, Free Union, Westmoreland, Hollymead, Millisford, Ivy, Arrington, Scottsville, Ismont, Livingston, Allens Creek, North Garden, Cokesville, Yancey Hills, Stony Point, Buffalo Springs, and Florton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, interior room on the lowest the tornado watch will be
This is my first doubleheader severe thunderstorm warning. Uh-oh. My county! My county! SDR for my county! SDR for my county! Oh my gosh! No way! No way! No way! My county! Prince Edward! SDR for my county!
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm County in central
Oh my gosh! This is my county!
South Central Virginia. Northwestern Highway County in South Central Virginia.
That's here for my county!
County in Central Virginia.
What?
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
See if we can get on the TV.
moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Is it on the TV?
Source radar indicated. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 a.m. for central Charlotte
Is that it?
counties. At 9:09 a.m.
I'm under. Oh my gosh, I'm under an SV.
or near Virginia.
Oh my gosh. My location is under it.
Source
My location is under it.
impact. Expect damage to roofs,
It's
siding,
on?
and trees. Locations impacted.
Boomer, it's on the TV. Look at that. There's no headers though. Weird. There it is, Prince Edward. Are the sirens going off? Whoa! What the heck? Whoa! What the heck? SVR! Mecklenburg and Mecklenburg.
Thunderstorm warning for Mecklenburg County in South Central Virginia. Western Mecklenburg County in South Central Virginia. Until 10 a.m.
This is the most active severe weather event I've ever. They issued something. They issued that tornado warning for here.
In the evening, then becoming
They're not
partly cloudy. A chance of showers and
What does
thunderstorms.
KZ28 serve? There it is! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Let's go! Actually, no, that's not good. That's not good at all. That's not good at all. That's not good at all.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cumberland County in central Virginia, western Goochland County in central Virginia until 11 a.m. At 10:22 a.m., a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located over Duncan or over Cartersville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
Tornado warning.
Hazard, tornado. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Usually
Windows and
usually
vehicles will
PBS
occur.
do stuff on
Tree
TV.
damage. This dangerous storm will be near Havensville around 10:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by
They
this
actually
tornadic
they
thunderstorm
finally
include
did it.
Alma, Elgill, Sandy Hook, Pemberton, Tamworth, and George's Tavern. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Orange County and central Virginia, Spotsylvania County and central Virginia until 11:45 a.m. At 10:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mineral to near Pass to near Oregon, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees. Altown, Goldale, Gatewood, Thornhill, Chancellorsville, Logan, Hartlow, Glenora, Post Oak, Thornburg, Lake of the Woods, and Cooktown. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for northern and central Virginia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for northern and central Virginia.
Want some ginger ale? Delicious.
Skyler around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Norwood, Tye River, Lovingston, Elma, Arrington, Rockfish, Buffalo Springs, Favor, and Piney River. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia. This is the No Weather Radio All Hazard Station KZZ 28.
Tornado warning! Oh! Prince Edward! Tornado warning for my county! Tornado warning for my county! My first tornado warning! Oh my gosh!
Northwestern Lunenburg County in South Central Virginia. West Central Nottoway County in South Central.
Oh my gosh!
Until 6:45 p.m. and 6:13 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Kysville, moving northeast at
Oh my gosh!
per hour.
Tornado warning for my county!
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Green Bay around 6:35 p.m.
Oh wow.
Around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Prince Edward Station, Briery, Verso, Mayhew, Prince
I was under a severe thunderstorm warning this whole time without me noticing because I was outside cutting grass.
Field, and Simplicity. Take cover now. Move to a
Why wasn't this a tornado watch?
on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
Wow.
Virginia, southwestern Caroline County, northwest Hannibal County in Central Virginia. Southeast and central, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. In addition, a possible funnel cloud has been spotted with this storm, and a tornado warning may be needed if the storm strengthens further.
Oh no! Did you hear that? They said an additional funnel cloud was reported, and an additional tornado warning may be needed if the storm strikes further.
Around 6:40 p.m.
This is the one near Louisa. This is the Louisa one. We're in Prince Edward.
Around 7:15 p.m. Other locations detected